Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet social media channels. This will be going up on YouTube shortly. We have a 2023 LT Malibu. This one is MSRPs at $30,050. GM Employee Suppliers, great news. Unlike many of our much of our competition, we are honoring GM Employee pricing. Costco members, you have a $1,000 rebate on this vehicle running through January 3rd. You do need to be a member as of October and still an active member at this time to qualify for that rebate. This one's going to have get over to the wheels here. It's going to have the 19-inch aluminum wheels. Nice little addition there. We will be adding the black bow ties, which I love, as you guys know. This one is black on black. It's going to have the all-weather floor liners installed on it. Just talk about the fuel efficiency for a minute here, as gas prices are dropping. But still, it's around $3 a gallon around here. Probably worse in some places, better in others. I don't want to hear from you guys that have better gas prices than us. You get 27 city, 35 highway. I miss my Malibu. My Equinox does a reasonably good job on fuel efficiency, but I'm still only averaging 27 miles a gallon. You'll do much better on a Malibu. I'm going to have a link below with more information. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 513-932-0303. Thank you and have a great day.